Good morning, children. In today's session, I will give a brief revision of adverbs, prepositions and present continuous tense with several examples. Okay? What is the meaning of adverbs? Words that tell us how an action is done are called adverbs. Examples: the boy is crying loudly. Here, the word loudly describes the action word crying. The peacock dances gracefully. Here, the word gracefully describes the action word dances. See children, loudly, gracefully. These words tell us about how the actions are done. These words are called adverbs. Let's take some more examples. Children, read the story quickly. Quickly describes the action word read. Kids laugh loudly. Here, laugh, action word. Loudly, adverb. Loudly describes the action word laugh. My elder sister writes lazily. Lazily describes the action word writes. Okay? Lazily, adverb here. It is raining heavily today. Here, heavily, adverb, describes the action word raining. Okay? An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb tells how, where or when an action happens. So, what is the meaning of prepositions, dear kids? Preposition is a word that tells us about a position of person, place, animal or thing. Okay? Here see, we have some more examples. So let's get started. We have a cat. You will have to identify the position of the cat. Here, the cat is on the box. Yes? The cat is between two boxes. Children, the cat is above the box. The cat is in front of the box. Observe the pictures. The cat is in the box. Where is the cat? Cat is under the box. Yes. The cat is behind the box. Near the box. The cat is below the box. The cat is beside the box. Okay? Dear kids, it is on the box, between the box, under the box, in front of the box, behind the box, beside the box, near the box, below the box and above the box. Here, on, between, under, in front, behind, beside, near, below and above are the prepositions. Okay? So, these words are called prepositions. Understood? We use the present continuous tense when we talk about things happening at the time of speaking. For example, he is writing a letter. Children, see here, writing is present continuous tense form. Okay? Here, before the present continuous verb, we use is helping verb because here he only singular form. That's why we use helping verb here is. Okay? Next one, things happening for a short period of time. For example, I am using Kim's bag today. Here, using continuous process. Okay? Continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Next one, changes that are happening. In this case, is the weather getting hotter? Yes, it is getting hotter. Getting is present continuous tense. Okay? That's all for today's work, children. Read and practice these 3 grammar points. Okay? So, children, practice these grammar points, adverbs, prepositions and present continuous tense with our textbook exercises. Thank you.